Psoriasis is an irritating and chronic skin disease which develops when the body's immune system goes haywire and sends incorrect signals to the skin cells, triggering them to multiply swiftly. The skin cells multiply rapidly at a pace of days instead of weeks, and a thick layer of new skin cells covers the skin as there is no sloughing off of excess skin cells. This piled-up layer of cells appears as patches on the skin, characterized by redness and irritation, and is often accompanied by thick, flaky, itchy, silver-white patches that are sometimes painful. Psoriasis is not contagious and is not acquired by touching a psoriasis patient. Other symptoms include itching, inflammation, and pain. The problem mostly occurs on the knees, elbows, palms, and scalp, but can also appear on other parts of the body. Psoriasis is considered as an autoimmune disease in which the immune system mistakenly attacks the healthy cells in the body, thereby changing the life cycle of skin cells. Normally, skin cells mature and die about once a month. But, in case of psoriasis, they tend to mature and die in less than a week, thus causing a buildup of dead skin cells. The condition is often triggered by factors like emotional stress, dry skin, sunburn, smoking, alcohol consumption, environmental triggers, viral or bacterial infections, and certain medications like beta blockers, malarial preventives, lithium, and ibuprofen. It also tends to run in families and becomes worse in those with a weak immune system. Most types of psoriasis go through cycles of flare-ups and remissions. Although there is no cure for psoriasis and it is difficult and frustrating to treat, you can use some natural and effective home remedies to control the symptoms and prevent infection. Also, do consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Natural home remedies for psoriasis. 1. Colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal refers to oats that have been finely ground and then suspended in any liquid like water, gel, etc. While in the liquid medium, the oatmeal remains suspended and dispersed uniformly. The advantage of colloidal oatmeal is that it can be easily applied and quickly absorbed. Thus, it is very beneficial for skin disorders like dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. Many of its skin beneficial properties are because of the presence of therapeutic chemicals present in it. The starches and beta-glucans are responsible for its water retention and protective function. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities are due to phenols, whereas the saponins are mainly responsible for its cleansing activity. All these functional properties make colloidal oatmeal a wonderful cleanser, moisturizer, buffer, and a soothing, protective anti-inflammatory agent for treatment of psoriasis symptoms. An oatmeal bath helps hydrate the skin layers, reduce both itching and inflammation. It also softens and soothes the skin, as well as calms the nerves. Thoroughly mix 1 cup of finely powdered oatmeal in a bathtub filled with warm water. Soak in this oatmeal bath for 15 to 20 minutes daily during flare-ups. When you get out of the bath, rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry your skin and generously apply a good moisturizer. Another option is to wrap 2 handfuls of rolled oats in a muslin cloth, place it in the bathtub and run hot water over it. Next, add some cold water to bring the bath water to a comfortable temperature and squeeze the oat bag. The water will turn milky. Soak in this water for about 10 minutes. You can use the oat bag as a gentle cleanser while soaking. After this bath, pat dry and moisturize your skin. You can do this daily during flare-ups. Make sure to discard the oat bag after every use. 2. Apple cider vinegar. According to the National Psoriasis Foundation, apple cider vinegar, ACV, which is used as a disinfectant since ancient times, may alleviate the itchy feeling and irritation associated with psoriasis. Apple cider vinegar helps restore the natural pH balance of the skin and helps prevent infections. Mix 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it twice daily, especially during flare-ups. This remedy is also good for overall health as it detoxifies the body. Mix apple cider vinegar with water in the ratio of 1:1 and apply it only to unbroken skin for relief. Avoid application on cracked or bleeding areas. If it causes irritation, do rinse it off. Alternatively, mix together 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts lukewarm water. Soak a washcloth in this solution and use it as a compress for about 1 minute. Repeat several times a day during flare-ups. You should see results within a few weeks if it works for you. 3. Cayenne pepper. This hot red pepper comes with a full host of health benefits and is very handy for your psoriasis malady. Capsaicin is the main active ingredient in cayenne pepper that makes them hot. Researchers in 2010 reported that capsaicin may help reduce symptoms of inflammation, pain, redness, and scaling that are commonly seen in psoriasis. You can use capsaicin-containing cream for this. You can get it online or from your local health store. Apply capsaicin-containing cream to areas where you have psoriasis. Caution: please do not apply the capsaicin ointment on the face. Please check if you are allergic to capsaicin ointment, as it may cause a burning sensation for some. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap after use. 4. Epsom salt. An Epsom salt bath is great for skin disorders like eczema and psoriasis. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate and has unique properties which give it medicinal value. It helps relieve itching and burning sensations and softens the scaling that occurs with psoriasis. Plus, it is good for relaxation and detoxification due to the high amount of magnesium present in it. It is unlike sea salt in the fact that it softens the skin and can be rinsed away completely. Experts say that soaking the body in Epsom salts boosts the body's magnesium levels. Mix 2 cups of Epsom salt in a bathtub filled with warm water. Soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. When you get out of the bath, pat dry your skin and apply a good moisturizer liberally. Do this 2 or 3 times a week. 5. Garlic. Garlic is another useful remedy for psoriasis due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It inhibits the activity of an enzyme called lipoxygenase that causes the inflammation associated with psoriasis. Plus, being an antimicrobial agent, it helps prevent infection. Nuclear factor kappa B, NFKB, a molecule found in the body, plays a crucial role in inflammation. The activation of this molecule has been linked with psoriasis. A study in 2004 showed that garlic derivatives agone, diallyl sulfide and S-allylcysteine inhibit NFKB. A 2011 study suggested that external application of garlic can be an effective remedy against psoriasis. Eating garlic can also prevent psoriasis outbreaks due to its active compounds and blood purifying property. Mix equal amounts of garlic oil and aloe vera gel. Apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before washing it off. Do this daily until you see improvement. You can also eat 2 or 3 crushed garlic cloves daily. For best results, let the crushed garlic cloves sit for about 10 minutes before eating them. If you do not like the taste or smell of garlic, you can take it with milk or opt for garlic supplements. Consult your doctor for proper dosage. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is excellent for dealing with psoriasis because it softens the skin, thereby reducing flaking and scaling. A paper published in 2017 reported that the polyphenols present in extra virgin olive oil are effective in preventing and treating immune disorders like psoriasis. A study in 2003 showed that a mixture of honey, beeswax, and olive oil was effective in the management of psoriasis symptoms. Simply applying lukewarm olive oil generously on the affected area can help treat psoriasis. Reapply several times daily until you get positive results. Alternatively, add 2 drops of calendula oil and 1 drop of oregano oil to 1 cup of olive oil. Apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for a few hours before washing it off. Repeat several times a day during flare-ups. Like olive oil, coconut oil will also give relief to psoriasis symptoms.